to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In this video, I will show you how to make a kinetic sand clay without using a sand. So we will use only 3 ingredients to make this kinetic sand clay. So what is the benefit of this activity? First, it could develop your child's fine motor skills, and another is the sensory motor skills, because this is handful material that your child could touch, squeeze, and mold. It could also stress reliever for adults for touching this by 5 to 10 minutes a day. So what are we waiting for? Let's start now! Good luck!
And these are the materials needed: container, salt, mixer, and 1 tube of toothpaste, or you can use also Colgate with white color. And now let's begin. Let's put the toothpaste first on the container, but better if you use the hard container. This aluminum foil is not good because it's a little bit soft. So just put 1 tube of toothpaste on the container. And then let's start to mix the toothpaste alone in the container. And then after this, we can add salt little by little. So for this 1 tube of toothpaste, I consume like 3/4 cup of salt. We need to mix and add salt to this mixture until we reach the consistency of like sundae. So the only secret of this is just mix and mix and mix. So we need to mix until we reach the consistency of like sundae. So let's see if it's already sundae. It's still a little bit sticky, so we need to add more salt. So for this 1 tube of toothpaste, I consume like 3/4 cups of salt. And here it is. So we need to add a little bit of oil, but don't put too much to lessen the stickiness of the toothpaste. So as you can see, it looks like already a sand. So that's the finished product. The advantage of this DIY kinetic sand clay compared to the commercial one that we can find in the store is that we can make sure that it has no toxic chemicals. So it is very, very safe for our children to use and play.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless! Learning is fun!
Alright, alright, alright.